Hello everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good morning everyone. This is your Isas Gheta and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Isas Gheta. In this video, I'm going to discuss class 9th KSEAA paper. KSQAAC paper which is given by the Karnataka board. You can consider as a model paper, right? We will discuss a science subject class 9th paper. These are the basic information which has to be filled by the student, right? So let's move to the paper. This is the invigilator paper will be corrected, and like for question 1, if the student score 1 mark, 1, for 2 0 mark, like this will be done. Okay, so let us discuss the paper. The first part, physics. We discuss first MCQs of physics, chemistry, bio, then one mark question. In that way we'll go. Okay. SI unit of force is what? Joule, ampere, Newton or Hertz. So it is exactly Newton. What is the answer? Newton. Joule is a unit of work. Ampere is a unit of current. Hertz is a unit of frequency, remember. Right? The value of acceleration due to gravity of Earth. Acceleration due to gravity small g. The value is 9.8 meter per second square. So option C. Everybody clear? Okay. Next. The audible range of sound in human. Like audible range, audible sound. It is 20 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Can also be written as 20 Hertz to 20 kHz. Okay, so A option. Say below 20 Hertz, below 20 Hertz, it is known as infrasonic sound. Okay, with sound, infrasonic sound. Below 20 Hertz is with sound. Below 20 Hertz, infrasonic sound. Above 20 Hertz is ultrasonic sound. Above 20,000 Hertz is ultrasonic sound. Between 20 to 20,000 is audible range. So this first we have finished the physics MCQs, that is 3 questions. Now chemistry MCQs. If you want to take the screenshot of this, also you can take. 1 mark question. These are the 2 mark question. Then 3 mark question of physics. Yeah, this is also physics numerical given. 1 question for 4 mark based on laws they gave. Now we enter into chemistry part. The compound among the following. Say what that compound among the following is. Can you guess? Hydrogen, oxygen, water, gold. Water is H2O, so option C is there. 2 or more atoms are there. Here hydrogen, oxygen and gold. AU. So 2 or more atoms are there in water, so it is coming under compound. This is molecule, elemental. Okay, they are elemental molecule and this is just element. This is a major gaseous component of atmosphere. Do you know which gas is present in more amount in atmosphere? Oxygen is somewhat 21%, carbon dioxide is 0.0 something, argon is also very less, nitrogen is approximate 70% is there. How much? Nitrogen is just around 70% is there. So option is C, nitrogen. Is it clear? This was only two, I think. MCQs are there, and now we'll go to what's the bio MCQs. Then we'll come back to physics 1 mark question. You can take screenshot if you do not have paper. Now we enter into biology. 3 MCQs are there. Let's see. See, the cell organelle called powerhouse, very famous powerhouse of cell, is mitochondria. Remember this. Plastid responsible for photosynthesis, vacuole storage of food in plant. Lysosome is called what? Suicide bags of a cell. Right? Okay. Example of airborne disease. Air, the disease which spread through air. Malaria by mosquito, rabies by dog bite. Leprosy is not, it is a viral, yeah, it is concerned with epilepsy, right? So brain disorder actually. So common cold, you can say it is caused by airborne disease, right? Next, the animal reared for the milk production purpose. Hen is for egg purpose or for meat purpose. Fish is not there in this. Duck should not be there. So these two are there for milk. So option B, right? Everyone understood? So these were the questions. Two situations spreading AIDS. Okay, now we will go to the first. Right. So now we are entering into the physics, and let's see the first question of 1 mark. See, the weight of an object on earth is 36 Newton. Weight of object. Weight of object on earth is 36 Newton. We have to find weight of the same object on the moon. You know that formula is a weight of object on moon is 1/6 of the weight of object on the earth. So weight of the object on the earth they gave 36. So what is the answer? 6 1s are 6 6. So what is the object weight on the moon is just 6 Newton, right? Next, suggest a method to decrease the reverberation. See, reverberation matlab now what is reverberation? Persistence of sound. Sound persist. Like if somebody said anything like yo, then the sound remain like continuously. That will not be clear one. Okay, disturbance type of sound. You like clear will not be there. Because the sound which comes to our ear in less than 0.1 second, that sound will be there. Okay, multiple reflection, but it is coming to our ear less than 0. So it is not that clear. So to decrease reverberation you have to use sound absorbing material. Sound absorbing material. in roof and walls of a hall. Single they asked. And even if seats are there, seat material should be of sound absorbing material. So these are the some ways by which we can prevent decrease the reverberation, even by using tiles, acoustic tiles. Okay. Okay. All right. The next question now. 2 mark question. We'll discuss it. The next question. See, the motion of two motor car vehicles are given in the graph A and B. Which graph is showing the reach of 20 km in shortest time and why? So we want to see a 20 km. So you can see that the graph A, a distance 20 km takes in 20 minutes. So distance by time is nothing but speed. Correct now. Speed is equal to distance by time. Twenty-one's up, 21's up. So you can say 1 km per minute. Graph A. Graph B, speed is equal to same distance by time. This is the formula. So we have to find for 20 km. Somewhat 15, right? If I go straight 15, maybe 15. Okay, if I go straight line, can't say exactly, but whatever it comes, if you take a straight line, so speed is equal to 20 by 15. Think it, 5 3s are 5 4s are. Speed is equal to something, if you divide it, you get 3.3, right? 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 0, 3 3s are 9, yeah, 3.3. 3 1s are 3, right? So it's not 3.3, it is 1 point. 1.3 km per minute. So you can see that the question was which will reach in the shortest time. Obviously graph B, in shortest time. You can say graph B or vehicle B. Okay, it takes less time according to the data. Now, and why? You can say why, but because the speed of graph B is more than A. Speed of graph B is more than A. So obviously it will reach faster. That is the reason. Next question, kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? Energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Right? What is potential energy? Energy possessed by a body due to its position or configuration is called potential energy, right? Everyone clear? What is echo? See, echo is what? Echo, repetition of sound. Repetition of sound due to what? Due to multiple reflection, you can say, due to reflection of original sound. Due to reflection of original sound by what? By large hard obstacle. Okay. What is the minimum distance? See, minimum distance to hear and clear echo is 17.2 meter. Okay. This is a 3 mark question. First we'll discuss 1 mark, 2 mark, then 3 mark. We'll come back to that. This is physics only. Chemistry. Next question on that. Wearing cotton cloth during summer is good. Why? See, because cotton cloth absorbs sweat. As you know that during summer, as we perspire or sweat more during summer. So like during summer we get more sweat, we perspire more, we release more sweat. So cotton cloth will absorb the sweat and then they lose that sweat to atmosphere because of the heat of the atmosphere, right? So it absorbs the moisture. So it is we use it is used during summer. Next, suspension are unstable. See, suspension are unstable because if we keep suspension, then particles get settled down. If particles get settled down, then it is unstable, right? So why it happens? It is due to large particle size. Okay, particle size is very big, so it is unstable. Particles get settled down. Yeah, see, solution is stable. Even the colloids are stable, but suspension is unstable. What are isotopes? See, atoms of same element. Atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Different what? Mass number. Example you can take. What you can take? Oxygen 8, 16, oxygen 8, 17. Correct? Oxygen 8, 16, oxygen 8, 17. It's not that visible. Even we can take hydrogen 1, 1, hydrogen 1, 2, hydrogen 1, 3. You know that. A protium, deuterium, tritium. This is protium 1, 1. This is deuterium. This is tritium. Okay. Right. Next question will go now. How acid rain is formed? See, acid rain is formed when the industries releases the gases like oxygen or oxides of nitrogen. The gases released by factories like oxides of nitrogen and oxides of sulfur react with water to form acid. Oxide of nitrogen will form nitric acid, oxide of sulfur will form sulfuric acid, and then they dissolve in that rainwater and they comes down as a acid rain. Is it clear? Everybody clear? Yeah, this 1 mark over. Now we'll go for bio 1 mark. See, the question is, give two conditions for a situation of spreading AIDS virus. See, this is 1 mark. Two conditions we have to give, two situations. See, AIDS virus spread by using syringe used on infected person. The syringe which was used on AIDS patient or the infected person, same syringe is used on the healthy person, then the healthy person will get AIDS. A virus will get spread by blood transfusion. Blood transfusion from infected person. If infected person, if it donates the blood, normally it is not possible because they, what they do, they go for all test, but still it is a chance by which the will get spread. Just a minute please everyone. Hello.